You hungry, baby? Let's eat some soul food. I got some whole chicken wings. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of oil. So we're gonna air fry these bad boys, cause you know I like the air fryer. Ain't nobody got time for all that. First up, you got your garlic powder. Love that. Black Cajun seasoning. And then solidified, we're gonna go ahead and add our beef sausages. Put that in there and we're gonna let that brown, okay? Alright, so we're just gonna cook up our sausages until they look nice and brown like this. Then we're gonna add in our Trinity. Now that everything is wilted, we're gonna add a little bit of flour and a little bit of chicken bouillon. And lastly, some water. We got that Tony. And then a little bit of oregano leaves. Well, by a little bit, I mean a lot of it, because I want it to be in here. We're just gonna stir that together. All right, when it gets thick like this, it's ready, okay? And just get some of that red beans and rice. Oh my God. Yeah. You clock it. Clock it. I made this. Tasting one of the chickens.
Break this off of me.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good. We do this in the air fryer? Air fried chicken. Air fried chicken is better than baked chicken. This chicken came out nice. Look at that. Like it came straight out of goddamn
off the grill almost.
You know what I'm saying? See the steam? Yes, sir. See.
Did you breathe?
You breathe when you finish.
Wait. It's gone.
So you don't see that food there? You don't see that food there? You see that? That's a whole fork full. Stop wasting food. That's all your problem. Stop wasting food.
It's
now we know.